Hey guys, welcome back to Gone Wild Australia. In last week's episode, we showed you how camping and traveling can be free.
In this video, we're going to show you exactly how expensive it can sometimes be. Enjoy. But first, let's go to the beach and have some fun on the sand dunes. Let's go. Go, go, go. Push, push, push.
Yeah, so we've decided to hit the sand dunes again because I don't think our luck would get any much worse than last time.
Not gonna fall?
Nah, let's go. Hey! Whoa, 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 whoa! Slow down, slow down! Oh, dude! Oh!
Alright guys, so when Bo fell off the car, he literally, his phone fell out of his pocket. Could end bad again. It's gotta be here somewhere. Oh, you were standing on this side, weren't you?
Oh! Oh! Yes, yes. Alright, let's just go to a campsite.
Is this a joke?
Try reverse. Oh, yes. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Oh, stop, 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 stop. Go out that way. Oh, yes. Stop, stop, stop. Oh, man. Yeah, this looks like trouble again. Man, we're just going through fuel right now. We're pumping fuel right now. Let's not make this whole episode about us being bogged again.
Yeah, let's try and figure this out without dragging it on too long.
All right, so we've walked about 6 Ks and there's a Hilux here. And I think it's this guy fishing down there. We're stuck. Oh, I feel so bad. He's having a mad fishing session.
Oh, Nan's coming.
Oh no, he's not talking about our situation. I think he just caught a fish.
Oh, he's on.
Oh, he's on.
Salmon?
Hey, Nan.
Oh, don't say that.
We're in a little bit of a situation. We went out onto the sand dunes and we've just got bogged.
Hey, cut it and make it bleed.
Worst thing is getting blood in the salmon.
Yeah.
It's disgusting.
Bleed it
Make it bleed, Al.
From the neck.
in the neck.
Port Lowie. I call it Lowie, but it's Lowie.
Oh, yeah, apparently they've been catching some good fish at Lowie.
Go, Bobby, go, 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 Bob, go.
Oh no, the big dog's gonna need a puppy wash after this. I was waiting for it, you prick. You. I'm not filming anymore. I quit. I'm not filming. I'm waiting in the car.
Bo, you didn't have a shower this morning, but we couldn't afford it.
All right, so probably one of my favorite free camp spots here. Here we got the bed. We've got the kitchen here.
Bo's got his little ensuite there. And we have, guys, this is something I've never seen before. Hot showers for only $1.
But it's not as good as sneaking into caravan parks and not paying a single cent, but it's the only way we can get a shower.
We like things sneaky.
Oh, look at that sky. Wow. Oh.
Oh my god, guys. Of course we leave the town not filling up with petrol and now we're stuck halfway between towns.
It would not be a Gone Wild Australia episode if we didn't know what we were doing. We didn't even look at the fuel gauge, did we? We didn't even check. Like, how dumb are we?
That's called depression. But lucky guys, we have a jerry can. I think it's like half full, maybe 10 litres left. So I think we've got about 45 minutes left driving.
Hopefully this 10 litres can get us there, otherwise we're screwed.
Let's go.
Brooke loves putting it in and filling her up.
To the jerry can. So it'll just flow a lot quicker. So that's what about $30 gets you guys. It's not much at all to fill this. It's like, with the petrol prices now, it's like literally about 180 to fill this car. Subscribe to our Patreon. It really, really does help a lot.
This app is called Petrol Spy. I'll put it right here. So it has literally every single petrol station brand that you can think of.
So this app basically shows the fuel prices everywhere so we can plan where we're going to fill up our jerry cans to minimize the costs.
Once again, guys, we're not sponsored. This is just something we recommend because this is what we do on the road to find the cheapest fuel prices. Hey, boys, what do you reckon about these petrol prices?
Siphon his truck tank while the other one gives him a really bad rippy, so it takes him ages to come, and then you'll get heaps of fuel out into your car. Swap over at his truck stop, One gives a really bad handy. Free tank of fuel. Perfect.
Oh, what a legend.
This is how Bo makes friends on the road.
Did you get that? That's the most homeless I've ever looked.
Socks, no shoes.
Yeah, well, sometimes you have to be comfortable in your own home. Chicken burgers. Bro, this better taste like $10 lettuce. Alright, so we've just stopped in this small town, it's called Cal, and we're seeing signs everywhere that say local oysters. So I'm gonna go in and ask how local they are, because if they're really local, we could probably just go get them ourselves. I saw a sign at the front, you have local oysters. How close are they to the area? Are they in Sejuna or are they in Cal?
In Kai.
Are there any spots on the beach where we can go find them? In
Yeah, you can go the Coffin Bay.
Coffin Bay?
Yeah, Coffin Bay.
Awesome, man.
So guys, that is exactly how you do it. We're on the way to Coffin Bay. Let's go.
Go more Australia.
Yeah. So we post every Sunday at 7 p.m.
Here you go, man.
Alright, brother, thank you.
Gone Wild Australia, every Sunday, 7 p.m. We've got about 25 episodes.
Thank you, brother.
Alright guys, so unfortunately we couldn't catch a fish or we couldn't find any oysters, so the only option now is to go to the shops and buy some food for tonight. Let's go.
Can you please tell me one person who loves lettuce that much that would pay $10?
Actually, lots of people.
Really?
No,
if you love lettuce that much, leave it in the comment
I
section
cannot
down
believe
below.
that.
Just lettuce that's expensive? Or is
No,
it?
everything's expensive.
It's hard to live. So a little cooking session. So what we're doing now is breast. So like for Patreon, I'm thinking about releasing unedited versions of clips that you guys see in our YouTube videos.
It's literally guys like a packet of chips per month.
See this? You don't need it.
Yeah.
Actually, no, that's I'll put that in the ocean.
This looks like absolutely phenomenal.
Yeah, these are going to be real hot, which is why we've got the cans of Coke here. How is it?
Oh my god.
Yeah, man. Alright guys, so if you'd like to see how I made this recipe, subscribe to our Patreon. I've got a video up there and also an ingredients list step by step that you can follow, and you can make this anywhere, literally on a beach with the moon behind you.
Well, all I've got to say to that is a big cheers.
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 Cheers, guys.
Hey, can I please get a radio check, please?
Yeah, we're working. Does anyone know what Tinder's like in Lucky Bay? Hey, white truck coming up. We're in the Nissan Navara. Can you give us a big toot toot? Yes!